Hello everyone, today let's we know about the 20 space objects like Sun, Mercury and Venus. First, Sun. The Sun is a huge ball of hot gases at the center of our solar system. It provides light and heat to all planets. Without the Sun, life is no Earth would not exist. Next, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. It has extreme temperatures, very hot and very cool. There is no atmosphere like Earth. A year in Mercury is very short. Next, Venus. Venus is called Earth's twin because of similar size. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Clouds trap heat on its surfaces. Next, Earth. Earth is the only non-planet with life. It has air, water and land. About 71% of Earth is covered with water. One natural satellite, the Moon. Next, Moon. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It controls ocean tides on Earth. It has no atmosphere and no life. First landed on its 1969 humans. Next, Mars. Mars is known as the red planet. It has dusty storms and frozen ice caps. Scientists search for signs of past life there. Robots explore Mars today. Next, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a famous great red spot storm. Jupiter has many moons. It is made mostly of gas. Next, Saturn. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. It is a gas giant like Jupiter. Saturn has dozens of moons. Its rings are made of ice and rocks. Next, Uranus. Uranus rotates on its side. It looks blue because of methane gas. It is very cold and windy. Uranus is a gas giant planet. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest major planet from the Sun. It has very strong winds. Its color is deep blue. Neptune is extremely cold. Next, Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. It is very small and far away. Pluto has a thin atmosphere. It was reclassified in 2006. Next, Asteroid. Asteroids are rocky objects in space. Most are found between Mars and Jupiter. They come in many sizes, come and hit planets. Next, Comet. Comets are icy space objects. They glow near the Sun. A bright tail forms behind them. They travel in long orbits. Next, Meteor. Meteors are space rocks entering Earth's atmosphere. They burn and create shooting stars. Most break apart before reaching ground. Next, Galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars and planets. Our home is the Milky Way. There are billions of galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars. Next, Nebula. Nebula are clouds of gas and dust. Stars are born inside them. They look colorful and beautiful. They exist across galaxies. Next, black hole. A black hole has very strong gravity. Nothing can escape from it. It forms after massive stars collapse. It cannot be seen directly. Next, star. Stars are giant glowing balls of gas. The Sun is also a star. They produce light and heat. Stars form constellations. Next, supernova. A supernova is a star explosion. It releases huge energy. It helps create new elements. It can outshine galaxies briefly. Next, space station. A space station orbit Earth. Astronauts live and work their experiments and done in zero gravity.